Alright, back with another video. So today we got to get the car ready for its second track day up at New Jersey Motorsports Parkway. So we have a few things we got to do before I can actually go attend this event. So it just rained really hard last night, so that's why my car looks kind of terrible right now. But one thing you guys might notice is my intake. I wrapped it in the heat resistant tape, and the reason why I did that is, you know, not for, you know, any performance gain or whatever to lower the temperatures. Really, it was just to make the intake look a little nicer, because before, if you guys remember, there was all that overspray on it. So I was like, you know what, let me just get some tape, cover it for now, that way it looks nice. I need to replace my rear motor mount. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to that in time, but we'll see what I can do, and from now until Friday. Also, I got to change out my radiator and my radiator fan, because, well, this is a half rad and this is a stock radiator, and you know, I want the most cooling I can get, so I went online and I bought a special thing for this car. So I bought a spall fan that's going to be going into the car probably within a few days. I'm still waiting on a special something, so when I get that, I'll install this and everything will be good to go. But I figured I'd take it out of the package and just show you guys what it looks like, because, you know, I'm gonna need to put the camera down. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like in a second. So here's the spall fan. I believe it's a 12-inch 1300 CFMs. So it's really powerful, but it's the wrong connector, so I have to basically cut it off and just merge these wires with these ones right here. I mean, that's no biggie. I do that with everything else on this car. So I figured this would be a great upgrade, and you know, it'll help out a little bit, because my engine temperature at idle yesterday. So yesterday the car was running at about 110 degrees at idle, and it was like maybe 80 degrees outside, and I'm not sure if that's normal or high or low. I'm not sure. So, you know, I figured maybe I should tell you guys that, just in case I'm doing anything right or wrong. But I'm trying to get this engine to run as cool as possible, that way I never have any overheating issues. The next thing I need to work on is these harnesses right behind me. So I don't really know how to, I know this sounds silly, but I don't really know how to install harnesses the right way. I'm not sure if they're sitting in right. So I'm gonna go ahead and strap myself in and show you guys what I'm talking about. Also, I need to replace my rear rotors and my rear brakes, because I haven't done those in a while, I think since 2016, so I guess they're kind of due. My front rotors and brakes are already good because I did the Type R conversion. What else do I need to do? I gotta change my oil, I gotta change my coolant out, I gotta bleed the coolant. I gotta get I actually ordered a GoPro mount for my helmet right here, so it's like a chin mount. And what else am I missing? Oh, also I have to put .4 brake fluid back in my car, because I recently bled my brakes when I did the Type R conversion, but I didn't have any brake fluid left, so I had to go to the store and buy .3. So I gotta drain that out, put this stuff back in, and then we should be ready. But I'm not canceling on the track day. It's definitely happening, and you guys will see footage from it. So that's really all I have for this video. But I'm really curious about this. Like, I really did something wrong, and I kind of want to fix it, because I don't want to use a 3-point going into this track day. And then again, I know some of you are going to say, oh, but where's your Hans device? And I'm just like, I don't have it yet, but I'll get it, don't worry. So that's the video. Hope you guys are ready for this track day, and I will see you in the next one.